What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another shitty motorcycle vlog. I mean, there's no topic to this video. This is just gonna be part of my Just Go Ride series. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna make that an official thing, but this is your excuse to just go ride, or just go buy the motorcycle that your wife's been telling you not to. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go down to La Jolla, just do a quick ride, you know, get out of the house for a little bit. It's actually a really nice day outside today. It's like high 60s, low 70s. It's like perfect. You know, I actually got some pretty cool plans for this channel coming up at the end of the year. So for one, I'm planning on doing a cross-country trip from here, or from California to Florida. Reason being is because I'm moving back to Florida. So I plan on documenting like my whole trip. It's just gonna be a solo ride. I'm gonna set this bike up, you know, for a longer distance. So I'm gonna get a new seat, a fairing for sure, maybe an exhaust. I mean, no one could have too much performance. And yeah, I'm just gonna document the whole trip. I'll do like segments, like day to day. It's only gonna take me about 4 days, and then I'll make another video of just the entire experience all in one. So that'll be pretty exciting. I actually haven't seen that many YouTube videos of people going from, you know, California to Florida on a motorcycle. I actually drove from Florida to California in a car, which is why I feel like it won't be a problem for me to do so. But yeah, that's gonna come around September time. Yeah, around there, like September 14th, I think. So if you're interested in that, subscribe and stay posted with the channel. Anyway, we're pulling up to La Jolla now. We're just gonna go ride around a little bit. What you guys think about those Ruroc helmets that guy's wearing? I love how they look. I just don't know. I've heard bad reviews on the 3.0s, but I haven't really heard much about the 4.0s. I'm looking for a new helmet. This one, the one I'm wearing now, fuck, I forgot. It's the Zizy something. I don't know. It's all right. You can tell it's not the highest quality, most comfortable helmet, but I will admit it's one of the quietest helmets I've ever wore, like in terms of wind noise. So it's definitely done me well in terms of motovlogging, but I'm sure there's something better out there. Damn, it feels so nice out here. We're right by the water, so you get that sea breeze on top of like the sun beaming down on you. So it's like a warm hug from the sun, but like crispy air from the ocean. It's really nice. Oh yeah, there's a million people here, as always. Scenic route. Alright, bet. Let's do it. These trees are pretty dope too, huh? You know what I want? I want some coffee. Let's go get some coffee. Yo, Mac Miller is such a vibe when you ride, man. Okay, making the TikTok dance. Here it is. Here it is. Not Starbucks. Better Buzz. I've been getting into like local coffees a lot more now. Better Buzz is getting a little bit bigger, but still small in comparison to, you know, Starbucks and whatnot. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.